Hi guys, today we are making Akara, also known as bean cake. We blended our ingredients to a paste and transferred it to a mixing bowl. Then mixed it with a hand mixer for about 2 minutes to allow air in. Heated some oil in a pot and scooped in the batter using a spoon. The akara should float at the top and not settle at the bottom if it has enough air in it from the mixing process. This makes it fluffier and lighter. Make sure the oil is not super hot, if not the akara will burn. When one side is done, flip it over to allow the other side fry. Remember to regulate the heating so it doesn't burn. If the oil is too hot, the akara will look done on the outside, but the inside will be raw. If the oil is not hot enough, the batter will soak the oil. So you have to make sure the heat level is perfect. You might have to adjust the heat level several times as you go. When both sides are golden brown, you could scoop it out and transfer it into a bowl. This is the finished results. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. See you in the next one.